Fun with Fire. Tonight we are doing a Phoenix finale fountain. It's a fountain. Look at this. See, it's a bird. There he is. These are his wings. There's your item number right here. H328. Safe and sane. Performance starts with a long whistle, along with red, blue, and silver ginkgo. Interesting. With white crackling flower, then fans out into a blue fountain with red strobes to a huge titanium burst with red and blue finale. Wow, so all kinds of stuff going on with this one. And interesting, it says, face this side towards audience. Now, no, these eyes aren't going to light up. It's just for the effect. It's going to come out, I guess, with these wings. This looks like an awesome fountain. I can't wait to do it. So this fountain's going to be just as hot as Phoenix. Barbecue Rando, you know what I'm talking about. So let's check out Phoenix Finale. Yeah.
Phoenix Finale. That's cool.